Hi everybody and welcome to Lindsay's Art Classes. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the Arteza Acrylic paints, and these are the premium acrylic paints, and you get a pack of 14 120ml pouches. So this is the box it came in, and these are the colours that you get. You get quite a lot for your money. So you get titanium white, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, gold, scarlet red, burnt sienna, crimson red, burnt umber, pale green, phthalo green, and then you get an ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, Mars black and silver. Quite a lot there. There's a mixture between different transparencies, so I will show you later how transparent they are, or how matte they are and opaque, and I'll also show you how they blend. Okay, so for now let's open up. Gorgeous colours. Okay, you get quite a few pouches in there, and the pouches are great because it means you can get as much out as you can. Basically use the whole thing. There's not a lot wasted because you can squeeze it like a toothpaste tube. So really good. You see the colours underneath, really bright, really vivid. This one is the pale green. Okay, you've got a spout on there, a bit like a Capri-Sun drink, and the colours are gorgeous. So we've got a gold, a lovely ultramarine, black. Okay, we've got, let's zoom out a bit for you, green, dark green there. That's the phthalo green, phthalo blue. Beautiful. We've got two reds, which is brilliant. So you've got like a nice warm orange red, and then you've got more crimson red. The gold just looks amazing. Look at the gold. You can actually see through. I don't know if you can see the shimmering on this, but it's actually shimmering. Beautiful. And we've got a burnt sienna, and then yellow, and then we've got the white, which you always use loads of, and a lovely silver as well, shining. So I can't wait to use these. So all of that came to about $39.99 on Amazon. So very, you get a lot. Individually they're about $6.99 to £10. So for 14, that's just a really good deal. Okay, so I'm going to have a go at painting them, and I'll let you know how they are. So please stay tuned to the end. If you want to see, if you're happy with what you're seeing and you'd like to see more, please do subscribe. I will be showing lots more demos. Hi everybody, so I'm just going to test out these new Arteza paints. Arteza, potato. So we've got gold, the light green, the ultramarine, and the scarlet red, and the white. I'm going to try them all, and I'll try and blend them as well. So this is just plain paper. I'm actually using lining paper, really affordable way to just testing your paints, doing sketches on. I use lining paper quite a lot just for practicing because it's very economical. I'll start with the green, which is a very opaque one. Let's just see how it goes. Ooh, so it's really fluid, really nice, just glides. It's thick, so you could use it for palette knife painting if you wanted to, and just layer those colours up. Really good. So far, yeah, it just glides off the brush. Really nice. Now I'll just wash my brush because I'll get rid of all that green. Right, now let's try some blending. So if I take some white, I'm going to layer some white down, and I'm going to layer some red. Let's just see how it mixes. So it mixes pretty well. Really nice and smooth. I'm impressed with that, and I'm not adding any water to my brush either, but it's managing to flow that far because you don't really want to add too much water. It's about 20% water max. There we go. So this is blending very nicely. Going light to dark. Quite impressed with that, I like it a lot. And again, thick enough to do palette painting, it just sticks up like double cream. Yeah, so you're coming to do your abstract paintings or your palette knife painting. Fabulous. Red, let's get some deeper reds in this. And I can still, now it is obviously it's starting to dry, but I haven't added any medium and it's still quite fluid. It's still managing to mix. So imagine what it's like with a medium. I'll have to try that. It will be great for portraits because it's so good for blending. Love it. So we'll do the blue. Yeah, they're just great quality. I can see kind of that it's showing through a little bit. So again, this would be great for portraits if you're building layers up, because it's going to go over the top of them. You can still see through the bottom colour. This blend with white. Gorgeous. Obviously I'm just having a play, which is fun. Get to know the paints. But that is really good and soft for blending. I'm loving it. Yeah, very good buy. I would definitely recommend these. I'll just try the gold because it's just so different. If you want to see it on the brush, it's like, where are you at? There we are. Really nice and thick. It's almost like butterscotch or toffee or something. Wow. See how far I can go without having to add water. Quite far. It's really smooth. Again, it's a little bit transparent, but I can see little sparkles in it, which are really nice. But it's transparent, so you could do a nice sheen on top. So maybe you just want flashes of gold. So on top of the gold, let's try it on the dark. Just sits on top gently, but you can still see through. So like a veil of gold. And you get a silver in this pack as well. So that's amazing too. I think that's pretty good stuff, this. So I would say pretty much 10 out of 10. Very, very nice. I'm going to try it on canvas later and see how that goes. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that helped you get an understanding of what the paints are like. But I would recommend. Okay, thank you. Bye.